endotoxin, which is available outer to the organisms, which is produced as a secretion by some organisms like Bacillus thuringiensis. So this cry endotoxin were isolated from the Bacillus thuringiensis as a secondary metabolites, and that can be introduced into a crop items. So thereby they create a natural insect resistant insect resistant power in a crop items like a cottons. Okay. So cry endotoxin, we know that, which is available in the form of a crystals. So crystal proteins are produced by this Bacillus thuringiensis organism, because we are going to introduce rDNA rich Bacillus thuringiensis into a crops like a cotton, and they produce number of proteins, cry proteins in the form of a crystal. Once the organisms like a bollworm, they starts to feed that crystal protein, which is not a easy digestible one. So after eating that, the cry protein which damage the gut of a bollworm. So by destroying the intestine of a bollworm, the cry gene which kills the bollworm insects or bollworm worms. Okay. So here for that we have blocking a certain vital nutrients. So blocking certain vital nutrients, that is nothing which not the cry toxin which not allow easy digestion process. So by blocking the digestion, the organism will die after feeding the cotton plant. Okay. So what are the advantages we have because of creating transgenic plants? So first one is yield. So because there is no disease now, very good cotton we will get it from the crops. So it increase the yield because very pure white color cotton we will get because of a BT transgenic plant production. And the second one, so no insect attack, no worm attacks now. We no need to use insecticides or pesticides. Okay, so usage of insecticide may be reduced. And the second one, so for application of chemicals or for the application of pesticides or insecticides only, we are spending more amount. Okay, so if naturally we are developing resistant power, there is no use of insecticides, so there is no need to spend money. So the cost of a cultivation slowly reduced because of production of transgenic plants. So yield can be increased and reduced insecticide usage, and the last one is reduced cultivation cost. And next one is here we have some disadvantages of using or creating a transgenic BT crops like a cotton. Okay. So the first one is high cost. Seed or the cost is more. Okay. So farmers, they are cultivating crops only in a low cost for getting a more yield and as well as to earn more money. But the cost of seeds are very high, so easily the low grade farmers not able to buy these kind of high cost seeds. Okay, that's the first one. Second one, viability of cotton seeds, especially transgenic plant cotton seeds, viability only for 120 days. Okay, so after 120 days, the viability slowly or gradually reduced. Suppose after 150 days, if you are buying the seeds which not be grow into a seedling, so the seeds may waste. Okay, so that's why because of the slow or because of limited duration of viability, we cannot use the seeds. Then the next one is which is ineffective. It kills only bollworms, not jacids or aphids or white. So this is a jacid, this one is aphid, and the white color one is a white. So which not effective on these organisms, which only kills bollworms. So suppose if these organisms starts to affect the crops, that leads to a disease. Okay? So the farmers, they won't get good products from the cotton field.